Oh. Let's go. You ready?
It's like this fake trip.
Road trip.
It's a freaking blizzard out here. Big old cliff. All right, let's get out of here. What are you doing? People doing snowboard. Kitty.
Like 2 hours and 10 minutes.
Might have to put it in 4-wheel drive now. And now we've made it to the desert. If you know, you know. This place is bizarre, but it is beautiful. And they stink. Crescent Moon Farm. No, hey, don't throw rocks. You want to feed an alpaca? Chicken. He's afraid to get spit on. You got the food? What a rip. Okay. Can't feed the babies. Put the hacky sack back, you hippie. All right, let's go feed some alpacas. Look at the talon. Here, give me some.
Here.
Be gentle, dude. Oh, bit my finger. I want to check it. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. You can't feed the baby.
Cool.
Look at you. Oh, look at the baby smelling his butt. Weirdo. Oh, gosh. Oh, see, he's violent. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. It's so warm underneath this fur. Oh, look, someone took a dump on his head. Whoa. Dude, chill. Dig your fingers.
Oh my god.
Oh, gosh. Oh, look at the eyelashes on you, dude. You're pretty. Oh, Dexter, do this one. Oh, God. Oh. Is that what you get? Oh. Oh, no. Oh. What?
Hi, buddy.
You leave her alone. She don't like that. What the?
Oh, they just kissed.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Dude, give me more. Why do you keep giving me this? It's like you're feeding a hamster. Don't bite my finger now. Oh, gosh. Look at the babies. These aren't llamas. These are alpacas. They keep them in the back. Those are the mean ones. Oh, he's looking for milk. What? What?
He's got no teeth, just like her. A little aggressive, just a little aggressive.
Okay, then.
Whoa! Oh, gagging. That's the hot alpaca. Where is this? Probably Madras. And you don't have to pay to get in. And then you come feed the alpacas. That's fun.
I'm surprised that some of them are nice. Some of them like.
We're going to Bend. Check in. Then yeah, we'll figure out what to do in Bend. You ready? 5 hours later.
Still water. Nobody's even said. Oh, the gym is. I wanna. Yeah, run in the halls.
It's snowing here in Bend. Let's go check it out. Open up! How is it? Hello! We're going to the pool now?
Yeah.
You serious? Literally 5 minutes. Let's go to the pool. Oh, wait. Do you have the card? No? Great. We just locked ourselves out. Should we just go to the pool?
Yeah.
Just worry about that later. Dang it. I got the spare. Okay, let's hurry. It doesn't matter how deep it is, as long as you can stay on top. You won? Nice. We are done in the pool, chilling. You can do that? Alright, we're gonna see.
From the start, but she bring it to my table when the drinks start pouring. The cruise.
We got a whole full-on gym.
Oh, he just got ejected.
I'm bored. The sun came out. Do a flip. Oh, look how perfect this is. Max it out. I got you.
Jump, jump.
Oh, you hit the stop? Oh, you chump. You did it, did you? No. You doing it no hands? Who's ready for our first game?
Me.
I don't even know who we're playing. Doesn't look like it now, but it's in the middle of nowhere. Tornado! I wonder if this school's mascot is the Tornadoes. How many squat racks do you need? Let's get this first tip off. Let's go.
Are you listening? Damn.
We got 0.7 seconds. What do you think, Dex?
Yeah.
That was a little close for comfort.
Dude, I was so scared when he shot it.
Hey, what you think, dude?
Good.
Yeah, you did. All right, you ready to get out of here?
Dig it.
You really think you got a 20 bomb? What do you think about them almost hitting that three and tying that up?
Yeah.
That was a good game, though. Let's get out of here. Now it's time for dinner. Where are we going? What? Watch him actually.
No.
Oh.
No mercy. That's so wrong.
I know.
Everybody's dying.
I have a parasite.
All right, we're out. How's everybody feeling this morning? And our room is trashed. Yeah, we got snow everywhere. Breakfast, here we come.
Flop.
This is the best pre-breakfast ever. Yo, how did they get it so dark in here? It's 9:48 a.m.
I'm an idiot! You're an idiot! Hey, everybody watch this.
Oh my gosh, let there be light.
Mason, look at my symbol of my shoe.
We're getting out of this gosh forsaken room. Ross or Goodwill? Ross. Really? Oh my gosh. Look like they got some good shoes up in Ross. Jeez, you got a whole lot of these. The all white shell toes, how do those make it here? Too small for me. Dude, we have 2 footballs with us at the hotel. We got Air Jordan size 15. You want Buzz Lightyear? Oh, yo, those look like my size. Shaqs. Yo, pick those up, man. Your witchery made them fall. For $25, I'm gonna have to get these. I need to talk to Sarah. You done? Let's go. Dang it, they got the Velcro bands. Very small section. We got Jordan, Trey Young's, 11 and a half. Dang, you're too strong. Oh, those look cute on you. Dexter, that hat does look good on you. You like it? Let's get it. They got lamellas. Whoa, is that a donut on it? Cut the circulation off my toes. Let's see what Letty thinks about her new blankie. Aw, little dog Rito. What's the next play?
Goodwill.
Goodwill. Here we come.
This is super.
That like a workout machine?
Bryce is back.
What is it, Easton? Check out this longboard though. This thing's taller than Dexter. Okay, not taller than, very close. Snowshoes. Hey, those ones look like they're from the 80s.
An optical illusion. I can't spin it.
We got the Jordan Foods, you guys.
What? Yeah, Toyota parts. Genuine RAV4 hideaway net. Whoever's got a RAV4 who finds that, that's a score. Super old water jug. $25, that's a good deal. Score. They were on a shoe?
Yeah.
That don't mean they're free, fool. Now it is time to get to the game. Are we gonna win today?
Hopefully.
What are you doing? Hey, what's the plan?
Yeah!
No.
You look crazy. He's looking for that prime fuel for this game. We're gonna check this out before we go. Can you make it go faster? Dude, this park is so cool. All right, I'm gonna just ride it over there and then I'll come. Hopefully I don't exceed the weight limit. Whoa! Oh, why you push me? I said, what the heck, dude? Oh my gosh. You trying to hurt him?
No?
Oh, dude, make her puke. Dude, are we going fast? Because it feels like we're going fast. All right, enough of the farting. Oh, oh, you can't throw it through there. Oh, gosh. You got that. Come on. Dude, piece of cake. Whoa, you almost hit me. Oh,
Yeah. Oh, I know.
piece of cake.
Alright, take the camera.
Come on up. Oh, okay. We're gonna have to jump. Top of the world. All right. Nice catch. Oh yeah.
Too easy.
Heads up. Oh, dude, these people got a kite out here. What? You know what trips me out about this place? Redmond, Bend, all those? All the trees look dead. The grass is just gray, or not gray. I would dunk on these hoops, but I don't want to get my fingers caught in the chains. Boom. Get in there. Beginners what? Boom. Field goal if it was an ant. Trying to shoot some basketball. Hit that. Oh, that's the wind. I get a mulligan. His nose hurts. He's had a runny nose this whole time. And it's freezing out here. Come on, Dex. Headed to the school for the first game. And then he has a second game. It's probably gonna be later tonight. How many times he's told me catch today? I don't know. Or think fast. Game 2, let's get this tip off. This next team, yikes. What's up with that, dude? You did good, man.
You did awesome, bro.
You should Taylor. Whoa. Dude, I blocked the biggest guy. He said it in a different voice. He's like, I'm from Seaside.
Gonna be a late night. guys have been skiing at Mount Bachelor. They're from Pennsylvania. What?
Isn't Papa like story too?
What do you think, Letty? Do you want to go or stay? You want to chill? Or you want to go? Oh, yeah.
Understand, you're gonna be.
So we have made it to Sisters High School. I've never been to this town before, and dude, this town is sick. Everything is like old. Let's get in there and get this tip off. This is a high school? This is insane. What even is this? I don't even know what we're in right now. Yo, what's up, dude? This place is crazy. All right, let's go find the gym. See how this gym was. There's our team. Let's go find them. go! Yes! Yeah. White ball? How? Lock him up! Shit. Oh my god. Oh man, my heart is pounding. You are. Uh-oh. He's in there ejecting us for good. They don't want us to come back. Oh, God. Wait, you flexing on him? So Russ was yelling at you guys and he got mad?
Yeah, but we don't really care because that's why he said you guys.
That game got a little out of hand.
I was ready to jump in.
We lost that game by a point. Gosh, that one had my heart racing, dude.
Game winner. He's like, you can't cuss around these kids.
Let's get out of here. It's snowing. We are back in the hotel. We're gonna film an episode of Cribs, and it is gonna be room 228. Oh, shoes, dude.
You can get foot on this.
228. You ever watch MTV Cribs? You gotta give us a tour. You got the one bed special, and it's a king. You just came with a rat. This place is infested. Cookies here. Disgusting. They got money. I expected more. Oh no, she hates it. Oh, she just put a brown streak right across your side.
No, she didn't.
No.
Oh, when you knew she.
Jump as high as you can. Whoa! I hate those ones. Let's go figure out how to turn it on. Let's go. We're not supposed to be in here. No, scan the card. Yes. Come on, open the door. Ooh, shoot. Straight to jail. Get in here, hurry, hurry, hurry. We gotta find out how to turn this light on. Oh man, it's hot in here. Hold on. We didn't try one more thing. Frick. The red thing? Wait, are you talking about this? This is the light switch? Alright, we're out of here. That sucks. Oh, like a breath of fresh air to get out of there. What are you gonna do?
Yo, that's for my shin. Yo.
Dude, let me see your shin.
Ow.
So that
Let me see.
is a skin mark of his.
Are you serious?
Dude, wasn't a lady in here when you did it?
Yeah, she was like,
she was just like, hey, you have to be 18 or older in here. And I fell, and I was just like, and I was like, and she's like, that's exactly why.
That's what you get.
Stupid kid. You're running off all those chicken nuggets? Don't you know you gotta be 18 to be in here?
Trying to get hurt like that.
Oh, boy. All right, let's go, guys.
Oh, dude,
I think
there's freaking all the baseball dads were hanging out in the lobby. They're like, yeah, my son's doing 70, playing this club team. Shut up.
baseball parents talking about sports. He said, shut up. Just shut up, dude.
We get it. You play sports.
Let me guess, Dexter, you're taking a dump.
Ew, what is underwear?
Bloody was sniffing him. A pyro. Don't be a pyro.
Don't be
Dexter
it.
found a lighter in this room earlier, and now he's just trying to light stuff on fire. Don't be a druggie, dude. Is the last and final day to our tournament. Everybody's still asleep. I just wanted to come out here and check out the snow for a second. I'm probably go in and wake them up because they could probably sleep forever. I don't know if Taylor has any alarms set. And go get some breakfast and then we'll get this last tournament out of the way. Or last game, I guess. Start brushing, Brad.
Start rushing, Brad.
You hungry yet?
Nope.
Should I go grab her some sausages?
Yeah.
Filling up waters, and we're gonna get out of here. All right, let me through. Make sure we didn't leave anything. Boy, it is slushy out here. It's nasty out. That's your seat anyway. Now we can see the story of our lives lately. Killing time until our next game. We're at Costco. Oh, I think you dropped something. What do you got? Oh, that's toilet paper, you dirty dog. True, the birds will eat the burger. Oh, brand new Costco. Front's all lit up too, let me see. What even is this? Oh, it's an MSI. Try it out. All right, that's a go. What? Dude, we're here to get you a shirt, not a Lego set. Nice try though. We got 3.5 hours till our first game. You should use your own money to buy some Legos. This place is packed. Right now, that's just your napkin. Don't die on us now. We're so close. You need a puke bag? Sir, explain to us what Mason looks like.
A gentleman.
Looks like a real gentleman with that shirt on. Let's see if they give him a free drink. Dang, you just cut everybody too?
Cut the whole lot.
I bet this works. Look, you got it. It worked? Dang, would you steal the straw too? All right, we ready to get out of here? You ready to get out of here? I'll take that as a yes. Let's go.
Daddy! Oh no! Did you get it? Like a baby.
He does nothing. Snort it. And when you push it with authority. Little dude. Alright, he wants a plug for the rest of the trip. Let him have it. Snot all over the basketball floor. So we have made it to our last and final game. Just kidding. We are at Redmond High School. This shall be, are you in there? Our last and final game. And if there is another game, we're not going.
We're going home.
We're going home. This will be it. Trip will be adjourned and we'll be on our journey home. So let's get this tip off. Let's go. Playing the local squad.
I made him dad.
My God. Bro, you flirting with the ref? Oh my. 0-0.
Listen, how was the game? How's the game? We are getting out of the school. I think we lost. It was a pretty good game. Oh, dude. It's all over my face. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac burger. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac burger.
Big kid.
I'm going.
Basketball is officially over. Why does it feel like we've been gone so long? Let's get there. Time warp. The pressure's on. Just rip them.
Gotta do it again.
We are back. Didn't place at state, but who cares?